Hi, I'm Stephany, and welcome to Repair and Replace, your online resource for quick and easy repairs. In this episode, we'll replace the water pan in a White Rodgers HDT2600 humidifier. To order online, explore our website below. To begin, you'll need a water pan and a flat blade screwdriver. The HDT2600 humidifier uses an evaporator pad that rotates and soaks up water from the water pan. When air passes over the pad, it picks up moisture and is distributed around your home by your furnace. Over time, calcium, mineral deposits, and bacteria can build up on the water pan. Before starting the repair, disconnect all power to your humidifier. Next, shut off the water supply. Now, remove the cover. Lift up the open end and then slide the drum out of the motor coupling. Now remove the old water pan. Slide in the new water pan and align the drain to the overflow tube. Now insert the shaft into the motor assembly and then tilt the drum back into place. Turn on the water supply and check for any leaks. The maximum water level in the pan should not exceed 1/2 inch from the top. To adjust the water level, use a flat blade screwdriver to rotate the dial on the float assembly. Now, replace the cover. Finally, turn the power back on. If you found this video useful, hit like. To keep up to date on Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.